In this video, we're going to put numbers in order from least to greatest, and we have rational and irrational numbers in this problem. So we have negative 12, 2 times pi, and the square root of 55. So these can be done without the help of a calculator. I'm going to teach you all the tricks on how to do this without the help of a calculator. So start with the negative number. Since it is less than the positive numbers, we know that that is the least number. Negative 12 is the least. So we already have that. Now pi, this symbol equals pi, which is approximately equal to 3.14. It's not an exact equal because pi is a decimal that goes on forever, but we just approximate pi to 3.14. So now we just multiply 2 times 3.14. We know it's approximately equal to 6. We don't have to multiply all of the decimals. We could just multiply 3 times 2, and we know it's approximately equal to 6. Okay? So as an approximation, just multiply 2 times 3. That should be enough for this. For the square root of 55, we know that it is between the square root of 49, which is a perfect square, which equals 7, and it's in between the square root of 64, which is a perfect square, which is 8, right? So the perfect square of the root 49 is 7, and the root 64 is equal to 8, because 64 is 8 times 8. So you would have 8 squared under here. So the square and the square root sign would cancel each other out, and you're left with 8. It's a similar situation for here. So the square root of 55 is between 7 and 8. We know it's between 7 and 8. This makes the square root of 55 the greatest, right? Because 2 times pi is somewhere around 6, and then square root of 55 is between 7 and 8. So that is the greatest number. So the numbers in order from least to greatest are negative 12, 2 times pi, and the square root of 55. And that's it. That's how you do that problem. And don't worry if you didn't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. In the ebook, you'll find a link that'll take you right to this video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that are similar to this. If you need extra help, you could check those out. And please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.